Hi everyone, I'm Stefan Josopait. I'm working with Forward AM, and we are materials partner of the HP 3D printing team, offering different material solutions for HP MJF technology. The materials we're working today on are polypropylene and thermoplastic polyurethane, so the TPU01 material. One of the materials developed together is the PP, the polypropylene material. It's very often used in healthcare and orthopedic applications. The customers mostly like it because it doesn't absorb water and it's very durable and lightweight. And it's the perfect choice for many applications requiring thermoforming and working with a material that is very much known to the industry. Another material that we're offering to the market is the TPU material. TPU is a very flexible polymer, so it's a rubber-like behavior, enabling soft touch applications and being suitable for any use where flexibility of parts matter. One application is this prosthetic socket. That's most precisely the insert is made in TPU to really make sure that the material is really feeling comfortable on the skin and offering a tailored solution for increased patient comfort. Enhanced use on multi-jet fusion for lot size 1 applications. Another typical application for TPU material is sportswear. For all applications where shock absorption or personal protection matters, like this helmet. And I want to specifically emphasize the lattice grid structure inside the helmet, which is designed for shock absorption for enhanced safety for sportsmen. And it's a good example for the flexibility of additive manufacturing in combination with a flexible material option. We are very excited about our partnership with the HP 3D printing team, offering new material solutions to the market and especially enabling new application, real industrial use cases, and bringing true customer value to the market together.